Hey guys, my name is Fel Leopard, and this is a Nerf gun review of the Sharpfire. Let's get into it. Now, first things first, this is a old Nerf gun. Now, this is, I believe, the Elite class. It doesn't have the class name on it. It just has the name Nerf and the Sharpfire's name. Now, this is a pump action one-shot kind of pistol. Has a couple of extensions. Now, this is a unique blaster because it can be compacted. Because there's a button right here. Push it. This can detach. Okay, and this thing, the barrel, can come off. And these are the three key parts. And they can compact into a light travel size carry-on blaster. Now, this is a strap to hold for your pocket. Let me just, it can be like this, or this. Or just the blaster itself, or with the long barrel. Now this is the original. Now, how to load this thing is, you cock that back, you put in a Nerf dart, you stick it right in there, like so, then you cock it forward. Now this is the firing test. That's a good spring to it. Now, also another feature is you can also do it like this. You know, like for something. I don't know. Now, this blaster can work with any type of dart that has the Elite size. As if Elite, of course, Doomlands, Zombie Strike, and maybe AccuStrike class. I haven't tested it with AccuStrike. Now, this is a size comparison with my first review, the Doomlands. With my first review, Doomlands Double Dealer. Sorry guys, I had to set it up so the barrel so it couldn't fall. Now this is the size comparison. Now it doesn't have an end strike attachment where you can add, well, basically customize it. So this is all you can do with it. But it's pretty light, easy to fire. Pretty good. For the review part, I give it about a 9 out of 10. Because sometimes the blaster, this part right here, can sometimes get stuck halfway, and then you can't fire it while it's fully loaded. It to be honest, alongside, this is a good blaster. This is a good one. Okay guys, that it was my Nerf gun review. Sharpfire, sorry. I hope you liked the video. If you did, click the like button, and if you liked it even more, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you can always know when I post a video. Also, comment down below a suggestion on what kind of toy review I can maybe do next. And this is it. This is the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.